Only TV production crew wear this kind of brightly coloured padded coat.
Oh, an invoice from one of London's top private nursery schools.
Could only be a TV production crew. What happened? Oh, I've seen this before. The production team, they've been offered up. Hernandez and Spiegel have offered up their crew to escape with their lives.
Offered up? To what and why?
How the hell should I know?
Now let's think about this. Why build a big wall and why a forbidden zone?
I don't know.
What if the monkeys of Royal Tiny India got smart? Oh, what if they got intelligent enough to survive?
You mean smart monkeys?
What if the monkeys learned?
You're talking about the end of the world.
Yeah, and maybe, just maybe, the government did something about those monkeys.
You mean nuclear?
I've got a feeling Royal Tiny India isn't quite dead.
What's there? There. It looks like a totem.
Oh!
Jesus!
That was such a one. No, don't meddle, it's a sign.
No way! That's one of our guys! We need to avenge him!
You didn't even like him!
We don't leave our guys behind, Jessie. You know that!
He's dead, Liz. I mean, he's dead!
I'm going into Royal Tiny India. You can come with me or you can cry like a baby. Like in the Falklands. But remember, could be you sitting there.
I'm not going in there without ordnance.
What's that? What did you say?
What the?
You want to ask questions or you want to kick some? Where the? You want to ask questions or you want to crack some monkey nuts? Lock and load.
Oh my God! It's a sacrificial altar! I can see them! Up there!
Come on! Come on, you monkeys! Come on, I count 20, 30 plus!
More there! Up from the rubble!
Damn you, monkey!
It's a tidal wave! It's a tidal wave! It's hundreds of monkeys! Finally! Come on! Keep firing! I can see them! Come on! Up there! Go! Liz! Liz! Monkey! So, that was our first discovery on Liz and Jessie's Undiscovered Country. We're back in our tent, and I tell you, I am ready for sleep.
Oh, God. Oh, do you know, it's funny. I always get constipated in a field.
Do you know, I'm doing a bit to camera.
Oh, right. Sorry.
Now, why don't you come with us the next time we go and discover some undiscovered country? You never know, we might find something where you live.
So, where next on Liz and Jessie's Undiscovered Country?
You're like this. We're going in search of a mysterious underground motorway.
Oh, great! Which one?
Connecting Leeds to Lyme Regis, 1971.
The UM68.
Some say there's a little chef full of survivors down there, eking out an existence on crispy pancakes and angel delight. Takes you right back.
One word. Vietnam. So, see you next week.
Bye! You did kill them all, didn't you?
Oh, go to sleep. Oh.